later. Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications for your gals. I've been saying that I want to get into makeup more. Just because my friend Jaslyn, my friend that does my makeup, moved away. She moved back to New York. I don't have anybody else to do my makeup here in Phoenix. I don't trust anybody else with my face here in Phoenix. And I need to learn how to do my own makeup. I've been trying different drugstore brands just because I don't know how to do my makeup all that well. So I didn't want to splurge on a lot of expensive things from Sephora or Ulta or anywhere else until I learn how to do it, and then I can branch off to getting those better items. I need to know what I'm doing first before I go buying expensive things. If I don't know how to use them, there's no point in me wasting the money. I wanted to learn how to do eyeshadows and things with colors. So I was at Walmart the other day and I found this. This is the Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock collaboration. I was so excited when I saw this at Walmart. I was like, oh my gosh, because Bretman Rock is a known beauty guru. He just seems like the type of person that wouldn't put his name on trash. So I just wanted to swatch a few of these colors. I don't really have makeup brushes yet, so I haven't applied it or tried to use it or anything like that. But I just want to open it and then swatch the colors and see what they look like. Ooh, swatches. This is the front of it. Ooh, There's 15 colors. Slides open like that. Okay. Opening it up, and it does have a clear protective package over it, so we'll take that off. And this is what the palette is looking like, y'all. So this is what it's looking like, right? Let me get a close up so y'all can see. I'm gonna swatch the colors with my finger just so I won't have to keep cleaning a brush. But the first color I'm gonna swatch is called Coconut Connoisseur. It's like a white kind of cream color, and it's this color at the top here. The second color is this gold color. It's called Prowl. The third color, this one's called Laya and Cheetah. It's kind of like a burgundy kind of color. Okay. This is another gold color. This one is called the King of the Jungle. The first row of colors: Coconut Connoisseur, Prowl, Liar and Cheater, Laya and Cheetah, Don't Be Lying, and King of the Jungle. That was the first row of colors. I just cleaned off my arm, cleaned off my fingertips, and we're gonna go for the second row. So the second row is a lot more colors that pop. So a lot of teal, green, fuchsia, red. Ooh. And this is a really dark brown, which is really pretty. I'm really feeling this. I like the colors that he chose for this palette because it's fun colors and also neutral colors. So I feel like these are colors that I could wear on a daily basis. This color is called Anaconda. The next one is another green color. It's called Venomous. Oh, that shows up really well. That's a really dark green. That's really pretty. I like that. Fuchsia color is called Flamingo. Oh. Okay, that shows up pretty well. Okay, what are you guys thinking so far? That color is called Pounce Wanna. Oh, look at that. Ooh, wow. And this dark brown color down here, this is the last color on the second row. This is called 8. Oh, and that shows up really well too. Okay, so that's the second row. I feel like the second row of colors swatched a lot better than the first row. The first row was, or maybe the first row was just lighter shades. It didn't really pop like these colors are. I don't know, are these transition colors? That's what I'm trying to learn about makeup. That's everything I'm trying to learn. So it just seemed like the second row was a lot more pigmented than the first row. But I'm so excited to try these. Okay, so we're gonna swatch the very bottom row. I'm just gonna swatch it this way. So the bottom row has a blue, like a sparkly green, a dark purple, maybe like a burgundy, and then you can't have a makeup palette without having at least one black shade. So let's see, this one is called Deeper, and this is like a deep sparkly blue. So I'm gonna swatch this. Let's see. Oh, okay. This sparkly green shade is called Big Peacock Energy. Bretman is crazy. Oh, that's like a black, like a dark. Oh, okay, okay. I'm feeling that energy. This purple color here is called Feline Myself. Like feeling myself. Ooh. Okay. This color here is called Toucan. Play that game, like a toucan bird. Toucan, play that game. Ooh. And this is the last shade in black. It's called Alpha. It's just, let's see. Oh, that's a lot of, oh wow. Okay, I know I have some makeup on, but I just want to play in some of this. Like, let me try this red though. Let me try, oh, I don't even know. Let me try this green though. There's a lot of fallout. There's quite a bit of fallout. I just want to see. I don't know if this is a good color for me. This is probably not the right brush to be using, but I just want to see like what a little bit of it looks like. If I just dab some on real quick. Oh, not bad. It's so weird because I never have color on my eyes, so that's why I'm just like, I never have color on my eyes. What do y'all think? I'm just playing right now. I'm just playing right now. Oh, I'm gonna try to do some looks. I'm gonna watch some tutorials and I'm gonna try to do some looks when I get some new brushes, because these brushes are terrible. I don't even know where these came from. They just all beat up. Bristles dried out. I don't know how, because I never used it, but we need some new brushes before we can do anything. Please let me know in the comments what you thought about this palette. Let me know what you thought about the colors. Let me know what you think about Wet n Wild as a company, period. Unboxing Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild palette. Bretman, this is my first palette, really, that I'm going to be trying to use. I had a Morphe palette, never used it. I dropped it. Some of the shades are out. I don't even care about it. But I'm trusting you, Bretman. I purchased your palette, and this is my first colorful palette. Because the Morphe palette that I got wasn't even a colorful palette. This is my first colorful palette. The makeup journey begins. We got a lot of journeys going on. We got a makeup journey, hair journey, fitness journey. Like, there's so many journeys going on right now that we're doing. But we're going to get them all done, though. We're going to accomplish the goals. We're going to accomplish the goals. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.